One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Hey, what's up everybody? Hope you're having a great day and welcome to Sid's Tips. Today, looking forward to sharing with you about a tool set that I backed on Kickstarter, now available for anyone to buy. And yes, you probably heard that phrase before, and there's a meaning behind it with this set, and I'm looking forward to diving in. This video is going to just be a very high level of this kit. I'll share with you just some of the things when I bought the kit, I wasn't sure how much I would really use it, but glad I did. And I also backed another kit from this company called MagnetDriver. They named this the Space Rocket. And again, there's meaning behind it. So do check out the link if you're interested in getting more information. If you have backed the product, may not have gotten it, you can see I've gotten it. And if you are just doing research on tools and tool sets, this might be one that might be great for you. So let's talk about the meaning behind it. And it's interesting. So it's commemorative in recognition of the 50th anniversary of the Apollo 11 moon landing. The space rocket is a precision screwdriver kit modeled after the Saturn V that brought humankind to the moon. In the spirit of that milestone of innovation, the MagnetDriver space rocket set provides you the capability to repair your personal appliances. So anything from your glasses, your cell phone, your camera, might be even your laptop, computer, whatever it might be, this will definitely take the needs and be there for your assisting you with those repairs. So first of all, as far as the packaging, this is a cardboard casing material. As you can see, it held up for me well during shipping. Not sure why they didn't go with a hard plastic or metal casing, but certainly at least a hard plastic. But they thought that this would be nice. This is a really nice gift, actually, if you know somebody that does a lot of work or repairs or wants a nice kit that has the nice bits that are small for those hard to reach areas as well, and for the small types of appliances, then this will definitely do the trick. So in here is the card. It says, build, repair, and adjust even the tiniest DIY project effortlessly with this full precision screwdriver and tool kit. So one of the things that I do like about this screwdriver is that it has an extender. So you can extend out and you can get into those hard to reach places, which is real nice. And all the bits, snap into place well. It does have this pad, which is the moon, and these are magnetic. So your pieces and your bits and your screws can stick to that. It's also magnet on the other side, so you can hang that up if you've got something that you're using that you just want easy access to, and that will stick. Now it does have, they are color coded depending upon the bit that you want. So they're brown and gray. And then they call these the magnet grip. So what is cool is you have 5 different grips. And so as I've never really had an opportunity in the past to use anything like it, but these are, again, very cool that you do have the ability. You can, this is rubberized on one side and it's got a metal opening, and then you can pop this through, and as you can see, you've got a small part of that bit sticking up. So depending upon what you're working on, then bam, you can get it done. And it's got a nice smooth turning mechanism. So it's really nice. I mean, they really have done a nice job with this kit. You've got a lot of different options to choose from, and there you go. So whether you're looking at it for yourself, the holiday season, nice gift, this is a really nice kit to have on hand with you. So rather than having one of those kits that might have multiple different types of screwdriver heads, you have one with all these different bits, you got the grips, and you got a nice case that you can just put in your bag or put in your toolkit. So nicely done by MagnetDriver, and there goes the moon. So check it out today. Nice job by the company. Glad I backed the product, even though I may not use it that much. well, when I will need it, and I'll have it for many years to come. I've got all my tracks covered depending upon what I need to repair. So if you're using it, leave any comments. If you do have any comments you haven't gotten in, I'll try and answer those. But definitely check out the link in the description. So click on that. And thanks for stopping by my video. Love if you would subscribe to my channel, and also a thumbs up for this video if you find this is of help to you. All right, everybody, have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.